Guess we're going out. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we're Scrawny and Seth, and we are currently traveling in Baja California Sur, Mexico, in a teeny tiny Sprinter van named Lewis. We're at a really cool little campsite tonight next to this beautiful oasis with a waterfall running through a canyon. I can't wait to take you along for today's video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Now Sasha and I are going to take our little morning walk. You're fine. Come on. How are the other ladies doing in here?
I also like pulled my back out sleeping in this twin bed and it really hurts.
Uh-oh. We're gonna go to the waterfall?
Yeah.
It was 500 pesos for both of us to access the waterfall for a day, or 700 to camp for the night. So I would say camping for the night is definitely worth it out here. But it was a really pretty spot. Probably one of the quietest, like, most serene spots we've had.
Hello?
Hello?
We actually came here last year and we didn't know that there was a campground, but by the time we got here last year, the campground was completely full. I think it was also because we were here later in the year. But we're almost like a full month and a half earlier this year, so it seems a lot emptier, and we got a spot, which is cool. It's cool to like do things that we weren't able to do last year. That is the benefit of coming back to a place a second time, so.
Surveying your kingdom out there? Go. Go. Ready? Sit. Stand. 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 Sit. Sasha, shake. 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 Sit. Shake. Good girl. Sit. Shake. Shake. Okay, you can do that one if you want. Stand. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. She needs to get dressed if she's coming out. Hey. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Hey. Hey, excuse you.
Whole family's outside.
Yes? Okay.
Hey. What are you doing in there? Ma'am. Please, ma'am. Come here. We're about to head down to the waterfall. Unfortunately for some of us, that means going back in the van. You'll be okay? Oh. Oh. That's nice, ladies. Yo, if anyone else has one of these T1N vans and they've been able to fix that like triple lock thing that you have to do when it doesn't sense it right, let me know, because we've had that for a couple years now on this van and I haven't ever been able to fix it. Vivo boots and Vivo shoes on today. Yesterday we wore flops and it was a bit of a mistake because it's a little bit of a hike down there. No mascotas. Sorry, ladies. There's a quick little walk, but it's very steep on this trail.
We're gonna have it all to ourselves.
I know. We've decided that we're not leaving until someone else comes because
I just can't force myself to.
I feel like it's a crime to like leave when you have it all to yourself. We decided to leave even though no one showed up. Literally right as I said that, they walked by us. So we left at the perfect time. Ladies? Wow, hi there, ladies.
Oh, wow.
Sunglasses is very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Upon leaving the waterfall, it is very warm here. Probably like 80 already. And our fight or flight is kicking in. We do not like warm weather. We do have to be a lot more cautious of stray dogs. This one looks like it has a collar on. So it belongs to someone, but people kind of just let them run loose. So we just gotta be extra mindful when she's outside. I wouldn't want to mess with this little lady either. She's nasty when she wants to be.
Working on the van? It's time. Oh, it's time. I know. Wow. Come on. Wow. Oh, God, I love goats. They're so like goofy looking. Hey, Bubba's. Little cutie.
Don't die. He walks off the dais with the odds. I whispered to Rhiannon, in case she didn't grow up in a military family. Exit. The breaches on the first year ahead. After all, no spectacle dragon that you find on. We'll walk through the natural box canyon above it.
So we're currently driving in the water. We have no idea where we are.
It's a pretty
Literally showing us in the water.
We made it to San Jose del Cabo, but I don't know, things aren't going to plan here.
Made it across the water. Woo! Back to the pavement, ladies. Woo!
Got a few other rigs out here. Some pretty cool Unimog looking things. Bunch of other van campers. They're really nice. Oh, those are so nice on the wet sand. She's being pretty brave though. Come on. There you go. There you go. Go.
Very good. This, sit. Good.
Very good.
Turn back.
Jungle, sit.
No, Jungle
Sit.
sit. Baby, she doesn't.
Sit.
She doesn't know sit.
She doesn't know how to sit.
Yeah, you're perfect.
Right here.
You're perfect.
Right here. You're perfect, baby. Hey. Sasha recently has been kind of obsessed with getting on the roof. Hey, just want to look around? Hey, little lady. Also, if you guys didn't see the tour of this van, these are actually walkable marine grade solar panels, this whole side right over here. So we have this really cool walkable deck all the way across the top of this little van. These are from Custom Marine Products. I'll link them down in the description box below. Come on, little lady. Sasha likes her Custom Marine Products panels. She's looking at the neighbor's dogs over there.
Where's her tent?
Right over here. All is well.
I don't know what we'd do without this tent.
Literally.
Best like $40 I've literally ever spent.
Yeah. Let's get this cleaned up and then make some breakfast. Our friends are trying to bribe their cat to come say hi this morning. Oh, that's her name is Friend. Their little cat's name is Friend. Here's the final meal here. We got some hash browns, some sausages, a little avocado, and some just egg over on the side here. Here you are, ma'am.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. And for me, we got this salsa matcha at this place, Nomadico, down here. It's actually a little further up on the peninsula, but this spot is sick. And this stuff is crazy good, so I'm gonna put that on pretty much everything over there. Cheers. What a life, huh, baby cat? She's catching some rays over there. Catching some rays? Soaking up the sun? Oh, wow. high heels on my tippies.
Oh, it's hot. Hey, ladies. Come on, ladies. Does this match? This, like, with this color?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah, it doesn't not match. What are you talking about?
I feel like it matches.
Oh, all right, y'all. I think we're gonna go ahead and end this one here. Thanks for hanging out with us. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure to like this video.
Here you go. One lady.
Oh, thank you.
2 ladies. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.